This morning, I fished a falling tide and started my way back in a creek, then worked my way out. What stood out wasn't the fish I caught, it was where each species was positioned as the water dropped. If you fish creeks, this matters. Back at the creek, early falling tide. Still enough water for Reg to push shallow.
Oh, he's dragging the boat. Look at him. Oh, man.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh, there's more. I see him pushing. See him?
Yep.
Get over there. Shit.
Oh, dude.
Oh, yeah.
He's a good.
Oh, man, he's a good one, dude. Tell me there ain't nothing like kayak fishing.
Oh, no.
Get out of your way and get the fuck over there. They like going under the boat, too.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Yeah, he's.
Try to get out of your way before he comes over to me. Oh, man, that's a good one, dude.
I gotta have to fight him for a while.
I'm gonna get over here and try to get another one.
Oh, man, y'all, this is a good fish. And I'm trying to keep him from breaking me off.
They're fired up.
Oh, God, y'all, look at this fish. He is a monster. Oh, look at him. Look at that fish, y'all. Look at that nice red. Oh, my Lord, that's a good fish. Whew. Let me get him unhooked. On the Ned. Slam Shady Color Z-Man. That's a great bait, y'all, for this time of year. And all I was doing was just dragging it. Look at him. That is a healthy red. That's a nice one. That's a good keeper size too. I don't have a measuring stick on me, but we're just gonna go ahead and let him go. There he goes.
As the water dropped, the next red showed up mid-creek at the depth change.
Another red. No, it's a trout. Oh, maybe it is red. I can't tell. Oh yeah. There we go, y'all. Another one right on that creek bend right there, y'all. Right on that creek bend. There we are. Nice red. Whoop. There you go, quick release.
At the mouth, trout stacked up. Same tide, different positioning.
Oh, man. That's a huge trout. Oh, man. Got him. Woo! Thank Lord. Huge trout. I was fixing to reel that joker in, and look at this thing. Holy camole. That's a good sized trout, y'all. Oh man, look at that. Look at that joker. Look at that trout. Man, look at him. Hey.
Good one.
Man, that is a solid trout, y'all. Look at that. Solid trout. We'll let him go. Her go, actually, I should say. Oh! Fish, let me show you. This is what we're using, the little redhead MR17. Just popping it once and letting it sit, and it just shimmies down like that. Oh, oh man, he's good too. Oh man, he's a hoss. Yeah, dude, and they're catching the big ones too. Oh man. Oh, look at the size of this joker. There we go. Got it. All right. Look at that, y'all. Look at that nice trout. Nice, healthy one. Nice yellow mouth. Nice trout. There he goes. Oh, nice. Another nice trout. Another nice trout on the Meridian. There you go. Let him go for another day.
This is why I like kayak fishing creeks on a falling tide. You can adjust quietly, cover zones efficiently, and let the fish tell you where they want to be. Reds pushed farther back early, trout held closer to the mouth as the water dropped. If you want more creek breakdowns like this, kayak, boat, or on foot, hit subscribe.